The Georgia prosecutor accusing former President Donald Trump of a scheme to overturn the state's 2020 election results wants a trial to begin in the midst of the Republican primary. Fulton County DA Fani Willis has proposed all 19 co-defendants be arraigned the week of September 5th and for the trial to begin on March 4th. That's about 6.5 months away. As CBS News' Nikole Killion reports, negotiations are underway for the former president to surrender on 13 felony counts.
District Attorney Fani Willis has proposed a March 4th trial date in her racketeering case against former President Trump and his co-defendants, creating a possible calendar crunch that's one day before Super Tuesday and weeks before Trump is set to go on trial in Manhattan, all sandwiched between two potential special counsel trials in January and May.
They're trying to step in my way at every path.
CBS News has learned the former president could surrender next week. Co-defendant Rudy Giuliani is also expected to turn himself in.
I'll pick a day next week, try to work out the conditions of bail, because there has to be bail, I imagine.
All 19 defendants are expected to be processed at the Fulton County Jail.
Doesn't matter your status. We got mugshots ready for you.
Trump has slammed the charges and claims he has irrefutable evidence of voter fraud in Georgia, something his former vice president rebuked.
The Georgia election was not stolen, and I had no right to overturn the election on January 6th.
Trump's ex-chief of staff, Mark Meadows, is seeking to move his case out of Fulton County to federal court, a strategy the former president may also pursue.
I think it's near certain he will try to follow suit. I think as part of his overall delaying strategy.
A new poll finds 74% of Republicans would back Trump next year, but 53% of Americans would not.
They've targeted him all the way, and it hasn't been fair, but I think it's time for something new.
Nikole Killion joins me now from Atlanta. How will the process in Georgia be different from Trump's last 3 arraignments?
So a couple of things. I mean, this is likely going to be a two-step process, although it remains to be determined with the former president, of course, with some of his past court appearances. Once he's indicted, the arraignment takes place shortly thereafter. Here in Fulton County, the former president and all of these defendants have to surrender first. That's that deadline that the district attorney gave them of August 25th. Everybody's got to report by then, where they would be processed at the Fulton County Jail, which is a couple of miles from here. That's where they would go through that process of potentially being fingerprinted and booked in a mugshot, as you heard the sheriff mention. From that point on, they would then set a court appearance or an arraignment date, and that's where you saw the district attorney today in a court filing suggest that that should take place starting the week of September 5th.
You know, no matter how people feel about former President Donald Trump, it is clear that he is the front runner. And we know that there's a debate coming up next Wednesday. What are you hearing in terms of your sources and your reporting about the likelihood that he'll actually make it to that debate stage?
Well, obviously, if he surrenders next week, that does potentially run up against this debate that is scheduled for a week from today on August 23rd. Again, we are told from our sources that the former president is likely to turn himself in at some point next week, but it's unclear if it would be before the debate or after the debate. That being said, he still hasn't indicated if he will participate in this debate, although he has said that he will make an announcement at some point this week. At least one source has told me it's unlikely he'll participate, but as you very well know, Jerika, with the former president, things are always fluid, and ultimately what he says goes.
That's right. Nikole Killion, thank you for your reporting.